Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Naveed Ahmed, MS Research Scholar, Ahmed University. My research topic was examining the relationship between empowering leadership and whistleblowing, testing a mediated, moderated model. According to North House, the power of impressions. The domain of leaders, however, is shrinking and shifting to followers. The basic understanding of this study was to investigate organization in Pakistani media, provided a body of knowledge that transform of power among the employees could improve their internal whistleblowing. The core idea about this research model was to highlight the relationship of sharing of power of leadership, internal reporting of wrongdoing, psychological power aptitude, and psychological possession in the context of news channel organization in Pakistan. Immediate available literature on media channel organization was not delivered internal whistleblowing behavior among the employees through empowering leadership. This research discovered highlighting factors that can be improving internal whistleblowing. Data gathering from 314 respondents was working in various media channel organization in Islamabad, Pakistan. In our study, we use non-probability convenience sampling technique. The unit analysis of this research was individual level. We used prior literature for the variable of the study. The whole survey contained a total number of 41 scaled items that was adopted to measure the construct of the study. We did different analysis, multi-collinearity test, structure model evaluation, coefficient of determination, assessment of effect size. Our research observed the influence of empowering leadership on whistleblowing. The outcome of the research shows that empowering leadership has a meaningful positive impact on organizational internal whistleblowing. Research also tested as indirect psychological empowerment role, engagement of subordinate between empowering leadership and internal whistleblowing. It was expressively positive. The moderated part of psychological ownership has furthermore revealed an important strengthening effect of the relationship between empowering leadership and whistleblowing. We tested 5 hypotheses, all were supported. Empowering leadership, influence on internal whistleblowing, supported. Empowering leadership, impact on psychological empowerment, supported. Psychological empowerment, impact on internal whistleblowing, supported. Psychological empowerment as a mediator between empowering leadership and internal whistleblowing, supported. Psychological ownership, moderate the relationship between psychological empowerment and internal whistleblowing, supported. Our study finding that psychological empowerment and interfering role with indirect connection between empowering leadership and internal whistleblowing, and psychological ownership strengthening moderating role in this relation. These findings provide a body of knowledge for internal whistleblowing with connection to empowering leadership. I believe this research considerably contributes to the space of research precisely in the domain of media channel organization in Pakistan, Islamabad. Thank you.